No. Oh. It was like sentences, like joined together.
Are you camera shy? Not a fan of the macaroni,
No, well,
huh?
oh, he's been eating.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Yeah.
We threw the Cheerios too.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Oh my.
He might be full. He's been eating for a while.
What words are you saying today?
Yeah, he's been talking to me.
Oh,
yeah.
back bends too.
And what? What else?
Ooh, he back bends.
What else?
Yeah.